friends, welcome to my channel Animated Study. In this lesson, we will see insertion in a linked list. So if you have seen my previous video, we have seen how the linked list works and we have visualized it. So linked list have this kind of node structure. So we are defining structure of node type. So we are allocating some memory to store it. And in this structure, first part is a data part. So first 4 byte is storing the data. And second part is a link part. And this is type of struct node. That means that link part is pointing to the another node. So initially, if we haven't insert any node, we can take one pointer. It is also type of struct node which is pointing null. That means not any single node is still inserted in the list. Now we will start to inserting the node from the beginning. So typically in the main method, we are calling this kind of method that is known as the insert begin, and we are passing one value that we are going to insert in the linked list. So when we are calling this method, this kind of code is get executed. So when we call the insert begin method, it will call this method. When we call this function, this 50 is get copied into the num variable that is known as the pass by value. Now we are defining one variable that is known as the new node, and this type of this variable is a struct node. Now we are allocating the memory to the new node. So for that we have to execute this line. So new node is type of struct node, and using malloc function is allocating the memory. How many number of bytes? So size of struct node. So our struct node having a two part, data and link. Data part have a 4 byte and link part have a 4 byte. So size of struct node is 8 byte. So 8 byte is get allocated to the new node. Now the new node data part, we are storing num variable. So num variable having value 50. So 50 will be stored in a data part. Next thing is new node link part. So this part will take as a null since it is not pointing to the another node. Initially we are taking as a null. So here we are storing null. Now we'll check the first condition. If head is equal to null, so you can see here right now head is indicating the null. So this condition is true. So we are coming in the if part, and we will see head is equal to new node. That means head is pointing to the same node or same address what the new node pointing. So we are getting this way. That is head is pointing the 205 and new node is also pointing 205. So this is showing that head is equal to new node. This is what the insertion of the first node. Now suppose if you want to insert another node, so we are calling it like this way, insert begin 25. So what will you do? So here 25 is copied into the num variable. Now again you are creating one variable of type struct node. After defining the variable, you are allocating the memory for the new node, and in the new node data part you are storing the num variable, that is 25 in this case. So you are storing the 25 here. In new node link part you are storing null. Now again if you are checking the condition head is equal to null, it is false now, because head is now indicating the node. Now it is not null. Therefore, we are going to the else part. In else part, the first instruction is new node link part is equal to head. So new node, this is the new node and this is the link part. So it is indicating the head. Head is pointing to the memory address 205. 205 is copied in the link part of new node. In the next instructions, we will see head is equal to new node. That means now head is pointing the same node what new node is pointing. So now head and new node both are pointing the same node. That is what the first node. So you can see here head and new node are pointing the same node or same memory address, that is 510. For the better understanding, we will insert one more value, that is 18. So 18 is copied in a num variable. Now again we are defining one variable, that is new node, and then we are allocating the memory for the new node. Suppose its address is 755. So fresh memory is allocated 755 onwards. Now we will see new node data part, that is num variable. Since num is storing 18, here we are storing 18. And in new node link part we are storing null. Again we are checking the condition head is equal to null. Now head is not null. It is indicating some nodes. So this condition false. So we are going to the else part, and in else part we are taking these things, that is new node link part is equal to head. So head is indicating 510. In new node link part we copied 510. Now the head is equal to new node. Now we are shifting the head pointers to the first node, that is head is equal to new node. Now head and new node both are pointing to the first node of the list. Its memory address is 755. So in this way you can see head pointer is pointing the first node, and you have inserted the 3 node. You have inserted 50, in front of that you have inserted 25, in front of that you have inserted 18, and 18 is pointing by the head node. So it is the indication of the start of the list. So now if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share my video, and don't forget to press the bell icon for my new video updates. Thank you for watching.